Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use mixed media in art. Mixed media involves combining at least two different art materials or techniques into a single artwork. This approach allows artists to create rich textures, add significant depth, and achieve unique visual effects. Imagine blending acrylic paints with torn paper or combining watercolors with intricate pen drawings. The possibilities are truly endless, offering a vast playground for your creative exploration and personal expression. Choosing the right materials is your first crucial step. Start with a robust foundation, perhaps a heavy paper weighing over 140 pounds, a wooden panel, or a stretched canvas. Then, pick your main medium, like vibrant acrylics or fluid watercolors. Next, gather your secondary elements. These could be anything from fabric scraps and old photographs to natural elements or various types of paper. Always think about how these diverse materials will bond and interact on your chosen surface. Mastering layering is essential for successful mixed media art. Generally, apply lighter, more fluid materials first, building up to heavier, more dimensional elements. For secure attachments, use a reliable adhesive such as a clear gel medium or a strong craft glue. Don't forget to incorporate various mark-making tools like fine-tip pens, soft pastels, or even custom stamps to add intricate details. Always allow each layer to dry thoroughly for at least 15 minutes before adding the next, preventing any smudging or unwanted blending. Once your masterpiece is complete, the final touches are vital for its longevity and presentation. Apply a protective sealant or varnish to shield your artwork from dust, UV light, and moisture. For a polished look, consider framing your piece or mounting it on a sturdy board. Take a moment to reflect on your artistic journey and the new techniques you've explored. Finally, don't hesitate to share your unique mixed media creation with friends, family, or your online community. Inspire others with your art.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.